Elevate your outdoor space with Yard and Garden Deluxe Stucco Lighthouse Ornaments. Do you dream about creating a truly unforgettable yard that catches the eye and stands out from the rest? What if your garden could inspire the imagination while remaining timeless with the perfect amount of sophistication and fun? While that may seem like a tall order, there's one lawn ornament that makes it possible, and that is the addition of a Yard and Garden Lighthouse. Hello, I'm Jordan, and welcome to another Lighthouse Man product video. In this video, we're going over everything you need to know about our most popular and authentic-looking yard and garden lighthouses. And that is our Deluxe Stucco Lighthouse Lawn Ornaments. So let's not waste any more time and get started. Lawn lighthouses are a stunning addition to any garden, adding the perfect pop of color and whimsy. While there's no denying the appeal of nautical decor, the truth is it's not all created equal. Purchasing high-quality, weatherproof decorations for your yard is the best way to ensure it looks beautiful for years to come. The Lighthouse Man is proud to be the premier manufacturer of Deluxe Stucco Lighthouse Lawn Ornaments. Not only are these ultra-durable ornaments stunning, but they're built to last, using the highest quality materials. Our #1 selling lawn lighthouses are the Cadillac of yard decor. Complete with thoughtful details and fully customizable, they're the most authentic yard and garden lighthouses on the market. So, why should you choose one of our exceptional lawn lighthouses for your yard? Well, keep watching to find out. First off, let's talk about our wide range of designs. When it comes to your yard, you only want to add decor that fits the overall aesthetic. Our lighthouse lawn ornaments are available in 12 different designs, modeled after real lighthouses throughout the U.S. We explored the country, searching for the most breathtaking lighthouses to model our handmade garden lighthouses after, and found our top favorites. We took our job modeling our stucco lighthouses after these historic landmarks seriously, ensuring they looked as close to the originals as possible. However, if you prefer to match your lighthouse to your home or yard aesthetic, we proudly offer fully customizable models. We also build multiple sizes to fit any sized yard. Choose from 4 foot up to 8 foot for an eye-catching statement piece you'll adore. Our stucco lighthouse yard ornaments are the perfect way to elevate any outdoor space. Now let's talk about our high-quality building materials. When it comes to yard decor, there's nothing more important than the quality of the materials. Unlike other companies, when you choose the Lighthouse Man, you can trust you're purchasing superior products that are built to last. Our lawn lighthouses are crafted from top-grade materials, and we never cut corners. We use our proprietary synthetic stucco and masonry blend, which we apply over a solid foam core, making it virtually impervious to the elements. When it comes to the paint, we know only the best will do, which is why each one of our yard and garden lighthouses are hand-painted with marine paint. Why do we use these premium materials? At the Lighthouse Man, our commitment to excellence drives everything we do. We believe in crafting our lawn ornaments with integrity so every customer can purchase with confidence. Next important selling factor is our attention to detail. Your yard is an investment, and you want the decor you choose to reflect the care and pride you put into it. Our lawn lighthouses are like no other, thanks to the attention to detail that goes into their manufacturing. To start, our lawn lighthouses include decorative glass windows showcasing beautiful curtains for an added touch of whimsy and realism. They're surrounded by real trim molding, adding to their authenticity. We use a highly detailed 6-panel door with the same molding surround for a cohesive and sophisticated look. Additionally, our yard and garden lighthouses feature a 2-tier catwalk with railings and core bells for extra detail. They're topped with an electric 40-watt light bulb for added illumination. Want to upgrade the lighting? Why not choose our fan-favorite revolving beacons or solar beacons? When it comes to our lawn lighthouse revolving beacons, discover our deluxe revolving beacon that takes our stucco lighthouse yard ornaments to the next level. This rotating beacon features a durable black powder coating and comes complete with a clear acrylic bullet Fresnel lens and 2 mirror backers for exceptional light projection. The on-off motor toggle is thoughtfully located on the side of the junction box for ease of use. Or if you don't have electric to your desired location, then you can always go with one of our amazing lawn lighthouse solar beacons. If you're ready to say goodbye to electrical cords, then our Deluxe Solar Beacon is for you. Harnessing the power of the sun. Our industrial-strength solar beacon can be enjoyed for up to 14 days of light on a single charge. This beacon is equipped with 6 high-intensity LED bulbs, and you can choose from 2 light patterns, blinking or steady, for a stunning addition to your nautical garden. All lawn lighthouses from the Lighthouse Man are handcrafted right here in Pennsylvania by our expert artisans and craftsmen. They're built to last with exquisite detailing, making them a work of art that's sure to be treasured for generations. Now let's talk about our amazing worldwide shipping. At the Lighthouse Man, we're proud to offer worldwide shipping on our top-quality yard and garden lighthouses, crafted and shipped from our manufacturing facility in the beautiful state of Pennsylvania. Our outdoor lighthouses are the ideal addition to any outdoor space. Use them at home to create stunning nautical curve appeal or at your business, for a local landmark your customers will love. When you want quality and value, no one beats the Lighthouse Man. Discover why we're the most trusted name for superior outdoor decor with your very own Deluxe Stucco Lighthouse. Crafted from the finest materials, their authentic styling makes them a favorite among those seeking top-quality lawn ornaments. Now, hopefully you found this video informative and helpful. If so, then please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Remember, the Lighthouse Man is the premier provider of exceptional nautical lawn ornaments and accessories for over 25 years. We've specialized in superior handmade products crafted to last the test of time. All of our items are 100% made in the USA and feature top-grade materials. We're committed to providing superior customer service and the highest quality yard and garden decorations on the market. From our Deluxe Stucco lawn lighthouses to nautical figurines and beyond, the Lighthouse Man is the most trusted name in yard and garden decor that makes your lawn shine. Thanks again for watching, and God bless.